Hello students, today we are going to learn Geography chapter number 3 Changing Face of the Earth by your teacher Tina Chaurasia. In this chapter we are going to learn about various changes caused over the face of the earth and in the interior of the earth. The earth is a highly dynamic or active planet. Changes and movements are taking place all the time inside the earth. There are also different external forces working constantly and changing the face of the earth. These forces are varied and they affect the face of the earth differently. We can divide these forces into two categories: endogenetic forces and exogenetic forces. We'll be learning about them in detail one by one. Let us learn about endogenetic forces. So, what is endogenetic forces? Endogenetic forces are those that arise from inside the earth. They can be sudden, like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, or slow and continuous, like the forces of mountain building. But what causes these endogenetic forces? These two main movements, which is known as plate tectonics and the formation of the convection cells, causes these endogenetic forces. I have already shared the video links about the plate tectonics and the formation of the convection cells in the PDF, which I have already shared with you. In this video, we'll be focusing on the endogenetic forces. Endogenetic forces are divided into two parts: sudden forces and dystrophic forces. Sudden forces are further divided or can be exampled as earthquake, volcano or landslide, which causes a very sudden changes on the face of the earth. The dystrophic forces are building mountains. This is a very slow and very time-taking process. Forces of mountain building. We'll be learning about this topic. The mountains are built by two forces, folding and faulting. When two tectonic plates push against each other, the land at the point of contact is pushed up in a series of folds. When two mountains are colliding with each other, what happens? The forces, it pushes the entire material upwards. The forces of compression are at work here and the ranges of mountains are formed. Thus, they are called as fold mountains. Examples of such mountains are the Himalayas, the Andes from the South America and the Alps from the Europe. There is one more example which you have to name in the comment box. When rocks are compressed beyond a point, they develop cracks or fractures called faults. When one tectonic plate diverge from each other, that means they are pushing apart from each other, they create the fracture or the fault. Sometimes these faults develop due to the forces of tension. There is a lot of a pressure over it. That is when plates are pulled apart. When land is pushed up between two faulting lines, block mountains are formed, like Black Forest Mountains in the Germany. The land subsides between two fault lines. Rift valleys are formed. The Narmada and Tapti rivers are the rift valleys. We'll be learning till here only in this class. I'll be continuing the chapter in the next video. Thank you for today. Stay home, stay safe.